It feels faster.
Oh yeah.
Like it feels a lot faster, and I thought it was pretty quick before. So quick update. We blew it up. Hey guys, welcome back. Matt's been working on the FIERO. He got the sniper in. I was sick, unfortunately, throughout the week, so I wasn't able to help. But the sniper's in. We've been having cooling issues, which Matt went over. So we've got that tidied up. I think we're gonna try to take it for a first drive. It's got this bleeder valve here that he put on there. Kind of a filler cap too. And then we're just kind of cleaning up all the coolant that might have leaked. And I think we're hoping this will be the first drive, and I think that's about it.
We'll see how it runs with this distributor, and hopefully we can rev it out this time.
Yeah. All right. We'll see you guys on drive. See you in a bit. All right, guys, we're getting ready to head out. Come on. Well, she fired up. I guess let's go take her out for a spin and see how she drives.
RPM, but then they change those.
And AFR over there?
Yeah,
bottom corner?
AFR, timing.
Okay.
Whether it's learning or not, it won't learn till it's at 160.
One thing we noticed for sure is that it immediately idles, it seems like, huh?
Yeah.
Whereas before it wouldn't idle at all on cold.
Rev past 3,000.
Oh yeah, 3,600 it got. Yeah. It feels faster.
Oh yeah.
Like it feels a lot faster, and I thought it was pretty quick before.
Oh yeah, it just baked that tire.
Holy smokes.
But before it wouldn't do that, it just kind of take off.
Yeah.
Just a little roll.
Is that the tire? Okay.
Yeah, this little clutch is not holding.
No, not at all.
I think it's the clutch.
I don't think it's the tire spinning.
I mean, I think it's only a one tire fire.
It's a stage 3 clutch and it's brand new, isn't it?
Yeah, they didn't really break it in.
Yeah.
Seems to hook up at first, but once I hit second.
You think you just glazed it or something?
Maybe.
Feels good, dude. Feels really good. Yeah, it was. Yeah, you can definitely tell the difference.
Let's see what happens here. Actually, it's burning out.
Was it burning out?
Yeah.
Oh.
I think it's just the one tire fire though, so that's why it doesn't get too
Squirrely.
too wild.
Yeah. So it looks like the overflow. We just pulled over just to check. The fan fuse blew. And the overflow is pumping out some coolant out of it. So we're headed back now to probably fit that overflow tank on there. Still seems to be running okay for temperature.
Yeah, now it's starting to cool down.
All right, we just got back, so we're just fitting the old overflow. So it was puking out of there, that little nipple there. All right, I think we got something going here. Overflow tank is back in place. Got a hose running through to it, but we were puking kind of through.
Just temporary.
Yeah.
Don't judge us.
Yeah.
Here's what I like. Oh, jeez.
Break your screen.
There
she goes.
Remember how before it was like, one.
Yeah. see if you want to go for a cruise. He never replied.
He's scared or something.
Yeah, so he must be afraid of the FIERO. You're good. So we're just gonna surprise him like we did last time.
He likes surprises.
Yeah. We're here. He doesn't know we're here. Just a loud car outside.
Snuck in. Oh,
Nothing?
that cold-blooded dude.
Alright, then let's get the F out of here, dude.
Freaking Edgar.
In case you're wondering, Edgar's the one with the chaser. That's not answering the phone. Or, I bet you peek through the blinds. He's like, I'm not answering.
I can see him peeking through the blind now.
Yeah. Just roast his tires. Alright, dude, we're gonna leave a big fat skid mark in his driveway.
I think everybody hate him. Not more than they already do.
Yeah. So quick update, we blew it up. No. No. For some reason, this thing, like, it overheated and it just dumped all the coolant in the overflow. And it just, it's running really hot, so we had to pull over here. We're just at Home Depot.
Yeah, there's just hair and everything.
Yeah, so we're gonna see if we can just rush home, because since, I mean, that overflow tank was about halfway full and it's completely full now, and it was spewing out the lid here and probably over there. So there's very little coolant in the actual system, and we can't get it back, unfortunately, right now.
Yeah, maybe we go buy some water from Depot.
And pour it in there.
Pour it in there, back there at least.
Yeah. All right, guys, we got some water here at Home Depot, filled her up, try to limp her home.
Yeah, maybe if we don't get on it, it'll just
stay cool.
Yeah, run fine. Ooh, still got it.
All right, guys, we're heading back to the shop now. I think that's gonna wrap it up for this video. Thanks for watching. Catch you later.
Yeah.